Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I still am Chukwuka Obeleagu, and in today's video I want to give you guys an update on the tbc009 wallet. Okay, a lot of you guys have been waiting, given the fact that on the 9th of November they informed us that the wallet will be back online in 2 or 3 days. Well, it's not back online yet, but they gave us a more assured deadline for the wallet to be back online. So on November 14th, okay, if you on November 14th, the update is that we finally have light at the end of the tunnel. Our network is up and working well. We ended up doing a full software upgrade to prevent this from happening again and to stabilize the wallet even further. Please be patient for a few days more. We hope to have the wallet back up and ready for use no later than the end of the day, Wednesday. So we're expecting the wallet to be back online probably by Thursday, because they said everything will be ready by end of business day on Wednesday. You will notice some changes, and we encourage you to offer feedback when you finally can log in again. Please understand that if it's not quite what you expect, we will work to resolve any issue we see. Thank you. Okay, so practically what they're saying is that everything is ready. They had to do a full system upgrade, and that has led to some changes in the tbc009 wallet. So when the wallet comes back online, okay, they will expect some feedback from us, and if anything is not working the way it's supposed to work, that we should get back to them. That's the summary of the message that they said. Okay. So still another 3 or 4 days of patience, given the fact that I'm doing this video on a Monday morning. So guys, like I said previously in my video, if you are interested is to exchange TBC to TST, okay, then what you have to do is make sure that your TST Bank account is fully created. Then you now wait for tbc009 wallet to come back online. Once it comes back online, okay, we will move straight into continuing the swapping. Okay, the swapping had been working before the wallet started having issues, so hopefully the wallet won't have any other issues if it comes back online. Okay, all right, so make sure you have the Billion Coin app. If you don't have it, make sure you go and download it from Google Play Store. Okay, and most importantly is make sure you have the latest version, the version that has the merchants added to it. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and until I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.